Here we are, Aaron and Phil over in Ilkley this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. Big job, wanted coverage over a whole farm, including a gym and a barn right down the other side. So for this one, we've installed the Starlink on a 3.5 foot mast with our own pole adapter, wired down in a Cat 6 cable, down behind that downspout, in through an existing hole where the previous copper BT cable went through. And inside there's a little comms room where we have fitted the Starlink router and our main mesh router. We've come out of the mesh router with a hardwired cable back up along the gutter rim all the way to the other side. In through there where we've got a mesh unit, back out of there, up, along, across, and in through an existing hole there where there is another mesh unit, then back out right the way along to the other side. Where we've also installed another mesh unit. So throughout the property, customer is now receiving speeds of way over 200 megabytes per second all throughout the property. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.